In a neutralization reaction, when a base is much stronger than an acid, for example, let's say there's a neutralization reaction of, let's say it's an ethanoic acid plus the sodium hydroxide, right? And the product it will be the salt. This is an acid and a base. This is a weak acid and a strong base. The result of this is going to be CH3COO, and plus water, right? So there's this salt that is produced here, right? They'll just give you this salt and then ask you, is this salt acidic or basic? And then you need to justify, right? What do you need to know? This salt is basic because what is strong between the two, between these two, is the what? Is the base. So this salt is going to be basic. So this is how you justify it, right? You take the salt. Okay, let's first take the salt and dissolve it in water. So if you dissolve the salt in water, right, the salt as it is, if we dissolve it in water, so what's going to happen? You're going to form the C3COO minus, right? And then plus the sodium ion. So since this salt is basic, the negative, right? The negative, which is the anion, the anion is the one that it's going to hydrolyze, right? So what are you going to say here? You start with the reaction when you hydrolyze the anion. So you take the anion, you dissolve it in water, C plus water, and then it's going to form C3COOH, and then the water, it's going to form the OH minus. So the proton went there. This is an acid, and then this one is a base, right? So what do you say now? You say the ethanoid ion is going to hydrolyze, right? And then you state that the sodium ion is not going to hydrolyze, because it stems from, you see, it comes from the strong base, or you can say it is a conjugate. It is a conjugate base. It is a conjugate of the strong base, okay? And then the next thing you say, this resulting in an excess of what? Of OH minus, right? If you notice here that what proves that this is basic, what proves that this is basic? It's a OH minus that is produced there. And then lastly, you say this, therefore this is an alkaline solution produced. Why is an alkaline solution produced? Because its pH is bigger than 7, and forward reaction is is favored. Right? That's how you answer the question. When a substance is acidic or basic, a salt is acidic or basic.